morning students. Continuation of chapter 5, that is clothing. In previous class we discussed some exercises of this chapter that are fill in the blanks and match the following. Today I am going to discuss some more exercises of this chapter. Let's proceed ahead. Exercise 3 is look at some of the clothes or things we use and write their name in the appropriate column mentioned below. My dear students, below the column, appropriate column are mentioned according to their seasons. According to seasons, the clothes that we wear, you have to write the name in the seasons column. First one is given summer season, second winter season, and third rainy season. Let's see first picture, gumboot. In which season we use gumboot? We use gumboot in rainy season. So you will be write the gumboot in rainy season. Is it clear? Now come in second question. Second picture is shorts. Second picture is shorts. And which season we wear shorts? We wear shorts in summer season. So in summer season column you will be write the name of shorts. Now come in third picture. Third picture is a sweater. And in which season we wear sweater? We wear sweater in winter season. So you will write here sweater. Now come in fourth picture. Fourth picture is skirt. And in which season we wear skirt? We wear skirt in summer season. So you will write here skirt. Now come in next picture, umbrella. This is a picture of umbrella. In which season we use umbrella? Mostly we use umbrella in rainy season. It is because umbrella protects us from rain. So you will write umbrella in rainy season. Now come in next picture. Next picture is woolen cap. And in which season we use woolen cap? We use woolen cap in winter season. So you will write in this column. Now come in next picture. Next picture is gloves. And in which season we use gloves? We use gloves in winter season. So you will write here gloves. Now come in next picture, frock. In which season we wear frock? We wear frock in summer season. So you will write frock here. And last picture is raincoat. And in which season we use raincoat? We use raincoat in rainy season. So you will write here raincoat. Now we will discuss next exercise, that is write true or false against each statement. Students, you are given some statements. You have to read carefully all these statements and you have to put true with true statements and false with false statement. Let's see first question. We wear woolen cloths in winter. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true statement. We wear woolen cloths in winter. So you will write here true. Okay. Now come in question number 2. Woolen clothes keep us cool. Is it true or false? It is false statement. Woolen clothes keep us warm, not cool. So we will write here false. What we write? We write here false. Woolen clothes keep us cool is wrong statement. Now coming question number 3. Question number 3 is plastic clothes protect us from heat. Plastic clothes protect us from heat. No, it is also false statement. Plastic clothes protect us from rain. So you will write here false. Now coming question number 4. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Yes, it is true statement. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Like cotton clothes we wear in summer season, woolen clothes we wear in winter season, synthetic and plastic clothes we use in rainy season. So it is true statement. So you will write here true. Now coming question number 5. Question number 5 is cotton cloths protect us from heat. Again I repeat question. Cotton cloths protect us from heat. Yes, it is true statement. Cotton cloths protect us from heat. So you will write here true. Okay. Today's home assignment. Students, exercise 3 you will do in book and true false you will write in notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.